Okay, everyone, don't tamper with fire alarms at my house. If I have this on the wall, you never want to tamper with my alarm. You never want to get my screwdriver and unscrew my alarm. You don't tamper with fire alarms at my house. That is a no-no. Since I own the alarm, I am the only one that can do it, but not you, unless you are helping me out with swapping alarms. But if I don't give you permission to tamper with it, leave it alone. Same goes for another person's house, and if they have alarms in their house, you don't go tampering with those unless they give you permission. You don't tamper with any alarms, especially in public. You don't ever tamper with those. That is going to make me sad. That is going to make a lot of people sad. So let's not do it. Bye.